Hi guys, this is Cake Doc, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful two-tiered cake that you can use for weddings or birthdays. So let's get started. First you want to put some frosting onto your cake board. Then you want to put your first layer of your cake on. Then you want to spread more of the frosting in between. The frosting is a Swiss meringue buttercream, which is less sweet than American buttercream. Then you want to put your fresh strawberries on top of your frosting and add your second layer. And this is for the bottom tier cake, which is a 10-inch round. So right now I'm piping more Swiss meringue buttercream and just creating a crumb coat by piping frosting all around and using my spatula to flatten it out. Once it's crumb coated, you want to put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. While you do that, go ahead and work on your top tier, which is a 6-inch round, in a very similar fashion as the bottom tier. And this tier is a 3-layer 6-inch round cake. Go ahead and crumb coat it just like you did with the bottom layer. And now stick that in the fridge for about 15 minutes, then take it back out and put more frosting on and smooth it out, and this is for your final layer. Always put frosting on the sides first and then do the top last. Sometimes I use a straight edge to help straighten out the sides. This is some Swiss meringue buttercream that I have added red food coloring to create a pink and white gradient. I'm using a Wilton 125 tip, which is a Ruffle tip. You want to point the smaller end upward to create that nice ruffle effect. You want to go ahead and just pipe that all the way around your cake. You can see the pink color eventually will come out and create a nice ombre effect. You want to go ahead and pipe the ruffles all the way around the cake until you reach the bottom. Once you're done with the ruffle tip, go ahead and get some bubble tea straws to support the top tier so that it doesn't sink in. I used about 4 straws underneath my 6-inch round. Go ahead and scrape that off and plop it down onto your 10-inch round. Next, I like to use a little bit of bling ribbon to hide the seams between the 6-inch round and the 10-inch round. It also adds a nice little decorative effect. You do have to work with it and push it down to the bottom as well as you can. Then I went ahead and bought a dozen pink roses. I cut the stems off, washed them, dried them, and wrapped some press and seal around them. Since they will be going directly into the cake, you don't want it to touch the cake. I used about 6 roses for the top of the cake. I decided to add some leaves in the gap. And because I had some extra roses left, I decided to add 2 more roses to the side to add some extra decor. And now for the finishing touches for this beautiful cake. I have a cake topper that says 70 Fabulous that I made myself on my Cricut machine. And basically we're just going to finish this cake off by putting the cake topper on. Put it right here. Just like that. That completes the cake. Thank you very much. I'm Cake Doc. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a great day. For more recipes, check out my book, Cake Doctor, Making Cakes in Your Kitchen at Amazon and Barnes & Nobles.